Time, space, the universe. These aren't just science fiction ideas. They're real, vast, and full of mysteries that even scientists can barely explain. From stars that sing to planets made of diamonds, today we're exploring 20 mind-blowing facts about time and the cosmos that will completely change how you see reality. Welcome to Trivex, where curiosity never ends. Make sure to stick around till the end. The final fact might just bend your perception of time itself. 1. Space isn't completely silent. We often think of space as a place of total silence, but that's not entirely true. In some regions, sound waves can travel through dense gas and plasma, creating eerie, low-frequency hums. NASA has even recorded sounds from black holes and planets using special instruments. The result is a haunting symphony that proves the universe has its own strange music. 2. Time passes differently in space. Einstein's theory of relativity shows that time slows down when you move faster or experience stronger gravity. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station age slightly slower than people on Earth. In fact, after 6 months in orbit, they're younger by a few milliseconds. It's tiny, but it means time really does bend depending on where you are. 3. There are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. Scientists estimate there are over 200 billion trillion stars in the observable universe. That's more than every grain of sand on every beach and desert combined. Each of those stars could have its own planets, moons, and possibly life. The sheer scale is beyond comprehension, and we've only seen a fraction of it. 4. There's a planet made entirely of diamonds. About 40 light-years away, in the constellation Cancer, lies 55 Cancri E, a planet made largely of carbon. Under extreme pressure, that carbon likely forms diamond. That means this entire world could be worth quadrillions of dollars in gemstones. It's one of the most dazzling discoveries in modern astronomy. 5. The universe has no center. Unlike what we might imagine, the universe doesn't expand from a single point outward. Instead, every part of the universe is expanding away from every other part, like raisins in a rising loaf of bread. That means there's no center and no edge. Everywhere you stand could be considered the middle of the universe. 6. Black holes can slow down time. Near a black hole, gravity is so strong it warps both space and time. A minute near the edge of a black hole could equal years outside it. If you could safely orbit one and look back at Earth, you'd see time racing forward. It's one of the strangest effects in all of physics. Time itself stretching and twisting. 7. The Sun makes up 99.8% of the solar system's mass. Our Sun is a true heavyweight. It contains 99.8% of all the mass in our solar system. Everything else, from planets to asteroids, makes up the remaining 0.2%. That's why its gravity dominates everything around it. Without the Sun, the solar system would simply fall apart. 8. Saturn could float on water. If you had a cosmic bathtub big enough, Saturn would actually float. That's because it's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, making it less dense than water. Of course, it's a gas giant, so there's no solid surface to stand on. Still, it's a fun way to imagine how strange the physics of our solar system can be. 9. Some stars sing. Certain stars vibrate and pulse in rhythmic patterns, releasing waves of energy. These oscillations create songs that can be converted into audible sound by astronomers. Each star has a unique frequency, like a musical fingerprint. It's proof that even in the vastness of space, there's harmony and chaos. 10. The Moon is slowly leaving Earth. Every year, the Moon drifts about 3.8 centimeters farther away from our planet. This happens because of tidal forces between Earth and the Moon. Billions of years from now, days on Earth will be longer as the planet's rotation slows. Eventually, total solar eclipses will no longer be possible. 11. There might be infinite universes. Many scientists believe in the concept of the multiverse, infinite versions of reality. In some, the laws of physics could be completely different. In others, another version of you might exist, making different choices. It's one of the most fascinating and mind-bending theories in cosmology. 12. The observable universe is 93 billion light-years wide. That's right, 93 billion light-years across. This is because the universe has been expanding faster than light. That doesn't break physics, since it's space itself that's stretching. not matter moving faster than light. And it means there's likely much more beyond what we can see. 13. Space smells like burnt metal. Astronauts report that their suits and equipment smell like seared steak, hot metal, or welding fumes after spacewalks. This scent comes from high-energy atoms mixing with oxygen when they re-enter the spacecraft. It's the smell of radiation and cosmic energy interacting with human-made materials. In short, space smells like the heat of the universe itself. 14. Some stars are so dense a teaspoon would weigh a mountain. Neutron stars are remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovas. They're incredibly dense. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons. These stars spin rapidly, emitting intense beams of radiation. They're among the most extreme objects in the universe. 15. There's a giant cloud of alcohol in space. Astronomers have discovered a massive cloud of ethyl alcohol floating in space. It's about 1,000 times the diameter of our solar system and contains enough alcohol for every person on Earth to have 300,000 pints of beer. Unfortunately, it's 58 quadrillion miles away in the constellation Aquila, so don't plan any cosmic parties just yet. 16. Black holes can collide. When two black holes merge, they release energy equivalent to several suns exploding at once. This event sends ripples through space-time known as gravitational waves. Scientists first detected these waves in 2015, confirming Einstein's century-old prediction. Each detection gives us a glimpse into some of the universe's most violent events. 17. Jupiter has a storm older than civilization. Jupiter's Great Red Spot has been raging for at least 400 years. It's so massive that it could fit 3 Earths inside it. The storm's winds reach over 400 miles per hour. It's like a hurricane that never dies, a storm as old as modern humanity. 18. Some galaxies are cannibals. Galaxies often collide and consume smaller galaxies around them. Our Milky Way is currently swallowing a few dwarf galaxies, and one day it will merge with Andromeda. When that happens, stars will rearrange into a massive new galaxy. Luckily, it won't occur for another 4 billion years. 19. There are planets that rain glass and diamonds. On some exoplanets, intense pressure and winds create surreal weather patterns. One known planet, HD 189733b, has sideways rain made of molten glass traveling over 5,000 miles per hour. Others, like Neptune, might experience diamond rain deep within their atmospheres. It's like nature's own version of a gemstone storm. 20. You can see the past when you look at stars. Because light takes time to travel, when you look at a star, you're seeing it as it was years or even millennia ago. Some stars you see tonight might already be gone. In essence, your eyes are looking back through time. Every night sky is a window into the ancient past of the cosmos. The deeper we explore the universe, the more it reminds us how small we really are, yet how connected everything is. Which of these cosmic facts blew your mind the most? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Trivex for more mind-expanding facts about time, space, and the mysteries of existence. Because the more you learn, the more incredible reality becomes.